Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this quick episode, I'm going to show you one piece of gear that's more of a luxury item, but one that you might not want to live without. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome back to the channel. This video is sponsored by Moto Camp Nerd. Check out the link down below at motocampnerd.com. Save 10% on anything on their website you add to your cart at checkout. motocampnerd.com offers everything that you would need for moto camping while on your motorcycle and even off the motorcycle. Check it out, motocampnerd.com, your one-stop shop for adventure motorcycle camping gear. Now let's get into it. This little item right here is the Sea to Summit clothesline. And I know, what do you need a clothesline for when you're out on your motorcycle adventures? Now, I have used 550 cord, rope, paracord, whatever you want to call it, to hang up sweaty and wet gear. A lot of times I don't bring 7 days worth of clothes when I go on a 7 to 14 day trip, because a lot of times you can wash those clothes either at a campground, or a lot of times we end up just washing them in the creeks and stuff like that. Whenever we're camping, we take our laundry soap, we put them in our dry bags, we wash them, and then we hang them up. That way they can be dry for the next few days. And not only that, whenever you've had a hot day, your socks get sweaty, your clothes get stinky, and sometimes it's just nice just to rinse them out, even if you're not gonna wash them and then hang them up. What this little item does here is not only does it stretch out like 550 cord would or paracord would, but it has little clips on them that allows you to clip your gear inside those little cinch loops, and allows you to hang your gear on there. One thing that I run into when I use the 550 cord is that you would drape them over, and then the clothes usually touch together, which one, allows them to stay wet longer, and two, when the wind blows, a lot of times when they start to dry a little bit, the wind will blow them off. This will keep them from doing that. This little item here, it's pretty neat. Everything's inside this little pouch. It is 3.5 meters long, or 11 foot 6 inches. So it's ample amount of room to stretch it from your motorcycle to a tree, or in between two trees whenever you're trying to dry your clothes out. I'll demonstrate that here real quick and just show you how quick and easy it is to set it up. Again, this is a quick little video of this little item, but again, one of these things that maybe you could live without, but once you do carry it, it's really nice to have. So let's go ahead and check it out. Real quick, just to show you kind of a picture of how it works. You have your bag, all the string comes out of the bag. You can use the bag to hook around a tree and tie it off, and you can tie it off on the other end. And then you have your little beads in the middle there to tie your clothes up. And I'll show you a better picture of this here shortly. As you can see, you pop the bag open, and then there's just the end here, and everything is contained inside the bag. You just pull it out, and it stretches out. And you can take this loop here, wrap it around and hook it. Like I said, I'll show you that here in a minute with a better idea. Okay, so I've got this clothesline stretched between my motorcycle and this tree here. I'll just flip this around and show you what I got going on. So it just hooks around the tree here with this little hook, and then you have this adjuster to make it longer and shorter, which is really nice. Over here at the bike, I've just looped it around my mirror, and you can see the pouch has its own hook right there where you can hook it on. There's 2 strings here, and you have these beads that slide anywhere. This sounds like it might be a little bit more difficult than what it really is, but let me just show you. What you can do is you can hang clothes in between. You can cinch these beads and hold it. And I'll grab a piece of clothing here and I'll show you. Got my Backcountry Adventure Motorsports True Adventure t-shirt here. Check it out on the Teespring store. Little shameless plug. But you can take any part of this t-shirt and push it in there, and then you just cinch it down with the beads, and it holds it in tight. You see it in there like that. This way you don't have to worry. You can see now it's actually pretty windy about it coming off. What this does is it allows you to spread your clothes out throughout the line, and you've got several beads here. So you've got a pair of, there's like 2, 4, 6. You have a place for maybe 6 or 8 places to hang clothes. Really simple, like I said. One of those pieces of gear that you may not necessarily have to have, but it's inexpensive and it's a really nice thing to have when you are trying to dry your clothes out at camp. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. This is a really simple piece of gear, very small and compact that you can tuck away pretty much in any pocket on your motorcycle. And maybe you don't need it, but when you do need it, it's really nice to have. The Summit Pocket Clothesline, it retails for $13 on the Moto Camp Nerd website. And again, if you use the link below down in the description, you can save 10% on all items in your cart. So definitely head over and check that out. Guys, once again, thank you so much for checking out this video. Thank you for your support. Make sure and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon. That way you know when more videos like this are released. We'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.